Good morning. This is All India Radio, Kohima. The morning news read by Jonas Yantan. A total of 184 suspected COVID-19 samples were sent for testing from the state till 6 p.m. yesterday. The Department of Health and Family Welfare, in its daily update of the status of COVID-19 in Nagaland, said that of the total 174 samples have tested negative, while results of 10 samples are awaited. Informing that the state has no positive case of the virus, it clarified that one positive case of a man from Dimapur have been added to the tally of Assam state as sampling was done in Assam and is currently undergoing treatment in Guwahati Medical College Hospital. The department also informed that out of the 5,887 persons who were on quarantine in the state, only 199 are presently at various quarantine facilities, while the rest have completed the quarantine period. Nagaland government has once again warned against revealing of the identity of the COVID-19 affected persons in any form of media. The state government observed that various confidential data related to COVID-19 have been leaked to social media by unscrupulous persons. It therefore said that under the Nagaland Epidemic Disease COVID-19 Regulations 2020, it is a punishable offence to reveal the identity of affected persons. Therefore, the state government maintained that henceforth action will be taken against such offenders without any warning. The Angami Youth Organization AYO has called off the total lockdown imposed in Kohima following intervention and request made by its parent body, Angami Public Organization. Starting last Tuesday, AYO imposed total lockdown, not only restricting movement of people and vehicles, but also closed down the essential commodity shops along the stretch from Lire to High School Junction. AYO clarified that its intention was in the larger interest for the safety of the people. In a release, AYO expressed hope that with the extension of nationwide lockdown till 3rd of next month, the state government will positively respond to the need of the hour by taking all preventive and safety measures in its successful implementation. AYO also assured to support the government as and when its services are required. Following the closure of essential commodity shops yesterday, Deputy Commissioner Kohima ordered opening of all essential commodity shops, which include grocery, bakery and pharmacy, today till 12 noon. In a notification issued last night, the DC said the essential commodity shops are allowed to open to facilitate the citizens of the state capital to buy essential commodities. However, the district administration has asked the general public to collect the required essential commodities from the nearest groceries and shops in their respective colonies, and also to strictly maintain social distancing while doing so. Nagaland opposition leader and former Chief Minister T.R. Zedang, accompanied by his colleagues, yesterday visited COVID-19 Hospital Dimapur to see the preparedness of the hospital in treating affected patients. After visiting the hospital, Zeliang, through Twitter message, urged the government to work sincerely towards providing well-equipped hospital. He also suggested that sufficient food items should be made available for the medical fraternity working round the clock in the designated hospitals so that they can perform their optimum level. Meanwhile, the opposition leader expressed gratitude to the medical fraternity who are working tirelessly to help fight against COVID-19 despite the risk involved. Zeliang was accompanied by MLAs Vikyo Su, Azretu Zimomi, Muting Yupa Sangdam and K. Kalo. Nagaland Principal Secretary Home Abhijit Sinha has informed that 18 tons of materials for Biosafety Laboratory BSL Level 3 construction at Naga Hospital Authority Kohima is expected to arrive today via Indian Air Force aircraft depending on weather conditions. The BSL-3 lab is for testing of suspected samples of COVID-19 cases in the state. In a statement, Sinha said that ongoing lockdown measures are crucial in preventing and containing the spread of novel coronavirus. In this, he said, the government requires the collective effort and cooperation of every section of the society for combating COVID-19 in the state. In the aftermath of the sealing of wholesale market areas of Murgipati, Marwaripati and GS Road in Dimapur district following report of a positive COVID-19 case, the district administration has reallocated designated locations for lifting and distribution of essential commodities for Dimapur, Kohima, Wokha, Zinobudo, Pek, Kifre and Beren districts. Deputy Commissioner Dimapur, Anup Kinchi, in a statement yesterday said the distribution will be done from 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. today. He said special permit will be issued for Dimapur from the office of the Deputy Commissioner, while for other districts, respective Deputy Commissioners will issue required permits for trucks to lift essential commodities from the designated go-downs. A maximum of 2 Tata Mobile per day would be allowed for each ward under Dimapur Municipal Council and villages under Sadar areas. 4 trucks would be allowed for Jumkidima, covering Tansiripar, Newland, Kohuputo and Metsifema, while 5 trucks for Kohima, 3 trucks for Wokha, Zunubudo, Pek and 2 trucks for Peren and Kifre. The designated locations are Amar Mill at Kolakhat Road, Vinayaka Trading at New Tansiri Bridge, Tansiri Valley at Haralu Colony, Hume Pipe at Tahiku Road, Northeast Traders behind Aluminium Factory and Omega Trading and new FCI Godown at Gewijau Colony. With that, we end the morning news. Have a nice day.